representation, and you should have it. Audits can be a gateway to bad things. Criminal charges, payment of years of back taxes, all types of various penalties, interest on top of everything, audits of other years, and investigations and interviews of the people with whom you do business, and even your family and neighbors. In almost all cases, you don't have to speak to the government, deal with them, or have anything to do with them. Think of an audit as a heavyweight boxing match. Nobody but another heavyweight boxer should ever step into that boxing ring. We'll exercise all of your legal rights, and you have many of them. We want you to get the best possible deal within the bounds of the law. Call Moskowitz LLP at 888-TAX-DEAL. That's 888-TAXDEAL. 888-TAX-DEAL or MoskowitzLLP.com. MOSKOWITZ-LLP.com.
Hello, this is Joe Cordell. Cordell & Cordell is a firm that practices family law exclusively. We focus on only one area of the law to maximize our strength and effectiveness as advocates for clients that have everything on the line: their homes, retirement, savings, and most importantly, their children. We're the partner our clients count on. If we can be of help to you, give us a call.
Schedule an appointment with one of Cordell & Cordell's San Francisco area attorneys. 951 Mariners Island Boulevard, Suite 300, San Mateo, California, 94404.
We tried Dynovite for gut health and immune support, and after a couple of weeks, our little Gizmo was acting like a puppy again. His coat was shinier, he had a lot less scratching and shedding, and he seemed like his happy old self.
My dog smelled and scratched constantly. We bathed and sprayed her, took her to the vet, but no results. Now, a little Dynovite in her food helps Bella keep her beautiful coat with no scratching or smell.
Get 10% off your next order of Dynovite nutritional supplements for dogs at Dynovite.com.
Happier, healthier with every bite. Over 1 million pets helped with Dynovite.
Putting woke ideas back to sleep. Dan Bongino.
You know, I'm so distracted by all these great guests. I almost forgot we got things to do here. So we have another rando who stopped by. I've seen this guy once or twice. Got another surprise guest for you. He's going to stay for the next segment too. No, you're going to love this guy, I promise. Folks, getting stuck in Black Friday crowds, super uncomfortable. Shopping Tommy John's before Black Friday sale. Now that is super duper comfortable. I got Tommy John's on right now. Anyone want to see? No. That was some response. Shop Tommy John's before Black Friday sale now. Give the gift of comfort to everyone on your list, including yourself, with Tommy John's men's and women's loungewear. With over 18 million pairs sold, give Tommy John's underwear and loungewear has become a holiday tradition. I love it. I was a customer long before they were a sponsor. 97% of men and women love getting a gift from Tommy John's. Their underwear and loungewear is the best. They don't have customers, folks. They have fanatics like me. Like I said, I've been wearing them for a long time. They are incredibly comfortable, and they look good too. Get yourself some Tommy John. Celebrate softness season with the gift of Tommy John underwear, loungewear, and pajamas. Every gift's backed by Tommy John's best pair you'll ever wear, or it's free guarantee. Shop Tommy John's before Black Friday sale going on right now and get 25% off everything at TommyJohn.com/Bongino. 25% off for a limited time at TommyJohn.com/Bongino. TommyJohn.com/Bongino. See site for details.
Dan Bongino.
I got my jerry-rigged atomic clock. This is one of my best friends in the business. He's got an electric podcast people love. It's always at the top of the charts. It's named after some strange guy, Dave Rubin, and it's called The Rubin Report. Dave, thanks for joining us, buddy.
Dan, it's good to see you.
Yeah, it's good to see you.
Was that the first time you ever got applauded for offering to show people your underwear?
No, on date night with Friday night, I get a round of applause from Paula all the time.
Oh, that's good.
She sees a lot of them, right, Paula? What do you think? You like the underwear?
She's applauding you right now.
Oh, she's applauding right now. She'll be applauding later, too. Oh, hold on. This is a family-friendly show.
Yeah,
hold
a little early for that.
Yeah, we do this all the time. Yeah, poor Jim. And now Mike. See, Mike's man in the con. Mike's thinking, what do you like? Can we dump that? We do this all the time. But amazingly, I've tried. I can't get fired here. It's just stunning.
You cannot get fired.
No, we've tried. I'm sure I could, but we haven't yet.
I don't think there's anyone in general that wants to be canceled more than
I do.
You go out of your way to say every crazy thing.
Don't we try to get fired sometimes and it doesn't work? We do. Mike's nodding his head too. I'm sure there are rules, but it doesn't really, I don't know. It's just the craziest thing.
You want me to see what I can do for you right now?
Please, help us out. Yes, let's test the boundaries.
All right.
We've got to use the dump button twice. Now, you do air hits all the time. You got a Rubin Report. I slipped once with Chip Roy, and I dropped the BS bomb because I was so comfortable with him because we're friends. Like I forgot we were on the radio. Have you ever slipped on the air?
Well, fortunately, I'm doing the YouTube Rumble thing where you can say whatever you want.
And
I never edit for content. Get this, so all the years that I've ever done my show, only one time in my show did we ever edit for content. It was because I had a guest on, I'll tell you who off air, who was so drunk and stoned at 10 a.m. that it was such a ramblingly psychotic, I would have ruined this person's
Did you air it?
We aired a portion of it. It's the only time we've ever edited for content, ever.
The only time...
I just let it fly. It is what it is,
I've had to significantly edit for content. Hang on, because we're almost done in 36, but we're keeping you over. We're talking to Dave Rubin, host of the Rubin Report. I don't mean to be a buzzkill, but I'm going through chemo, which I give 2 thumbs down. No good. Definitely not recommended. And no one had warned me about what they call the chemo hiccups. They load you up with dexamethasone, and it gives you the hiccups. And you can't stop. So I'm interviewing General Mike Flynn, and the host... And it's like disgusting. We had to edit, that thing was like a 50-minute interview. We edited that thing down. I think it was like 10 minutes of comment.
What button? Why didn't you use the button?
I'm too cheap for a button.
There's no button.
All right, we're talking to Dave Rubin, host of the Rubin Report. We'll talk to him more on the other side of the break. We'll be right back.
Finding great candidates to hire can be like trying to find a needle in a haystack, but not with ZipRecruiter. Its powerful technology actively finds and invites qualified candidates to apply to your job. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you the needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on